Hi students, today we discuss about exothermic and endothermic chemical changes. So just as a physical change, chemical reaction will be either endothermic or exothermic. Okay, see the activity. Ask a student to stretch both hands, put a pinch of soap powder in one hand and pinch of glucose in the other hand. Add few drops of water to soap powder and ask how the student feels upon adding water. Now add a few drops of water to the glucose at the other hand. Now ask the student how he or she feels on adding water. So what is the feeling when water is added to glucose? What is the difference when water is added to soap powder, when water is added to glucose? So in this activity, the student felt the warmness of the palm when water is added to soap powder, right? We saw that the burning of magnesium ribbon gives out heat and light. Similarly, burning of wood releases heat and light. Such changes which heat is released are known as exothermic changes. Okay. See the pictures, endothermic and exothermic process. So read carefully. Okay. There are some changes in which heat is absorbed. For example, water absorbs heat when it evaporates to form water vapors. Similarly, ice absorbs heat when it melts to form water. Such changes in which heat is absorbed are known as endothermic changes. Okay. So dissolution of glucose in water is also endothermic changes. Understand? Periodic and non-periodic changes. Depending on whether or not a change repeats itself after a definite period of time. So it can be classified as periodic or non-periodic. So periodic means changes that repeat themselves after a definite interval of time are called periodic changes. For example, rotation and revolution of earth, beating of heartbeat, clock striking every hour, motion of the second hand, minute and hour hand. So these are all periodic changes. See, every year you observe season changes. We go from rains to winter and winter to summer and so on. Okay. So non-periodic changes means changes that do not repeat themselves after a definite interval of time and occur randomly are called non-periodic. For example, eruption of volcano, occurrence of an earthquake, a streak of lightning flash across the sky during thunderstorm, running a batsman between the wickets, movement of legs while dancing are a few examples of non-periodic time. Okay. So this is about exothermic and endothermic, periodic and non-periodic changes. Okay, read the points to remember of the lessons. Very, very important points. Read it. Okay. And then evaluation part of the lesson I will give notes. Okay.